What's up, HTA? Glenny Reed here, coming at you Sunday, August 7th, preparing our weekly watch list for you guys. Last week was a good week of trading, lots of opportunities there, lots of good trades to be taken. We'll see what this week lines up. With that being said, let me go jump into my screen share for you guys. Okay, let's start off with the S&P 500. Let's make this bigger. Okay, on the daily, price has been going up, overall direction, but we are gonna come close to this level recent high of 4181, 4182 area. And if you look, we kind of briefly brushed or coming up close to it, to this level. So we tested, and then we had a slight drop. I think this was on Friday. And now price is kind of just moving in this range here. Let me draw a little range for you guys. Right. And so going forward, just gonna be watching. It's gonna be a sign of more so just sitting and waiting. What price does to this daily level we have here, and we're gonna plan accordingly. We had a doji here, little rejection, light volume. It is Sunday, Sunday night, so we're gonna see. We're gonna be waiting for the areas. Like I said, the areas of interest is 4181. See if we close above, and then we have a recent low. We'll just draw another recent low here. Uh, 39.37. So that's going to be those two areas we'll be watching. Let's go jump to the NASDAQ. Similar price action. It's just that for the NASDAQ, we already crushed this previous high of 12,926. Now we do have another previous high of 14,800. So quite a bit of room here. With the daily close, we closed above this at the 1st of August last week. So it's been a positive or bullish momentum for the NASDAQ or tech stocks here. The other market I'm looking at similarly is going to be the Dow. It's kind of playing out. We got this recent high, already marked it, 33,239, and we were consolidating a bit all last week here. So we'll see how this goes. We had this strong close on the 2nd, but only to close. We haven't really closed significantly higher from that candle bar. So we've been in a range too, and we'll be watching 32,835, seeing if we close above. Then we got this older high, recent high here to be watching out for. So mainly I'll be sitting and seeing how price plays out on Monday and then even Tuesday, and then see where the market takes us. Let's jump into the euro. Something I've been watching too, euro USD. So crazy big down move, hit a low of 0.995, and we've been consolidating since. And so I like to see that the market's going sideways here. I'll just continue to watch it. Nothing like ready to go kind of trade, but it's just gonna be on a watch there. Let's look at the yen, USD yen. So for me, this looks like it could be switching my bias from long to short here with this recent price action. We've had a strong close at the end of July and broke the recent lows of 134.1, even closed lower. Now this is a deep pullback, and over time you're just going to see these with extended trends, you're going to see these big drops, and then price will immediately try to shoot up, but only for the bears to take over. So this could be a nice setup depending where it closes. You know, if we do close above 136, that's going to be another 136.9. That's going to be something to be watching there. Other than that, you know, let's go check out what the Bitcoin is doing. We've been living in this range between 24,000 and 18,000. So, you know, not much. It's you've been kind of seeing price structure of Bitcoin. It consolidates, then it'll drop, consolidate, drop. That's been the recent price movement. But so nothing exciting there. On top of that, other than that, dude, I think that would be it for me. Back to you, bro.
We have a few, but also not too many. Yeah. So just sitting and waiting right now. So I'm looking at Euro Pound. I kind of have a few on my watch list here. Euro Pound might be long, it might be short lived, just because we're looking at, since July 1st, we're in a bear run right now. I don't really want to call this one a trend for me, just because we've been bullish. So it's kind of like a bear pullback after a bull and ascending. So we'll see what happens here. Might be a quick long. So this one's one. Moving on to Kiwi Cat. I like Kiwi Cat here. Continuation short. Overall trend is bearish. Creating a nice ascending channel. I like what I'm seeing. We'll see what happens though. Not really active or ready to jump into a trade just yet. It needs to break up below a few levels, but also need more volume too. But I like it, so it's going to be on the watch list. Followed by Kiwi USD. This is a little cleaner than the Kiwi Cat pair, so if I do choose a Kiwi pair or a New Zealand dollar pair, I would choose Kiwi USD. Short. And finally, Dollar Cat. I like Dollar Cat. Dollar Cat and Dollar Yen, broke out of this descending channel, so it's a breakout. And I'm looking to go long here. But yeah, I like this long. Overall long for me. Followed by Dollar Yen. This could be a pullback, as I'm stating, but I like how the overall bull trend since March is just sustaining this, keeps getting higher and higher. On the daily, it's broken up above my levels on the 4-hour and 1 hour, and it's creating this, after this strong momentum, it's just consolidating. And I like these type of positions here, ascending channel continuation. That's an AC one for me, so I really like that. But yeah, short and simple. I'm not really looking at crypto. I'm not really looking at any indices. So just Forex with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs on watch. No live pairs, so that's it, man.
Sweet.
Sweet. Calendar this
calendar.
Yeah. Last one, last screen share here. So another slow week, or this will be a slow week. Last week was very eventful, but this week, we have consumer price index. It is something to be aware of, but as far as the amount of announcements, we're not looking at too many strong movement in my opinion or in my strategy. But as always, take that with a grain of salt. We never know what the smallest of announcements can do to the market. So just be aware.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Yeah, we don't have Mr. Powell speaking, so shouldn't be too crazy. We'll see. We'll see with the market coming back with more volume after the summer break. There's still lots of opportunities to be taken. With that being said, guys, join us for our Topic Tuesday this coming week, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time on Tuesday. We're gonna have a nice topic for you guys. Other than that, have a great week. Guys, trade safe.